make puff pastry, cut the butter into cubes. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine the flour, butter, and salt until the mixture has a sandy texture, approximately 5 minutes. Gradually add the water and vinegar to relax the dough, reduce shrinkage, and extend its shelf life. Mix briefly. Shape into a rectangle, wrap in plastic, and refrigerate overnight at 4 degrees Celsius. Remove the butter sheet from the refrigerator 15 minutes before using. The Corman Dairy Butter 82% fat is easy to work with and has a good taste. It adapts to the chef's environment. Made with fresh cream, it brings an intense dairy flavor to your pastries. Sprinkle the butter lightly with flour before laminating. Enclose it in the détrempe. The firm yet pliable texture of Corman butter facilitates lamination. Fold the détrempe over the butter, give the dough a quarter turn, and make incisions on both sides. Roll, then give it a single turn by folding it in 3. Give the dough a quarter turn. The fold must be parallel to the laminator. Roll and repeat 5 times, letting the dough rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes between every second turn. Let rest overnight at 4 degrees Celsius. Roll the dough to a thickness of 2.5 millimeters, sprinkling generously with flour. Finish with a rolling pin for an even result. Relax the dough by lifting it off the work surface to prevent shrinkage when cutting. Cut out turnovers using a cutter. Once the pastry is cut, start shaping. Moisten the turnover edges with a brush. Fill with apple compote and close gently, pressing out the air. Thanks to Corman Butter's firm yet pliable texture, the dough doesn't shrink, ensuring uniform finished products. Let rest at 4 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Turn the turnovers over onto the flat side. Brush with a mixture of egg yolks, milk, and cream, avoiding getting egg wash on the edges. Let rest for 20 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius before brushing them again with egg wash. Score the turnovers as desired and prick. Preheat the convection oven to 170 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 minutes. Corman Dairy Butter 82% fat gives your products a good dairy taste.